All right, here's an update video. I don't think I made a video in a while. So right now I've been driving the AMG as a daily. Now my supercharger pulley burns blown on me. So if you spin this, yeah, so that's blown. I just ordered it on Tuesday, so hopefully it comes this weekend. I could put it in on the weekend. I got some more boxes. I'm about to show y'all what it is. Also, I got a gaming set up. I'm about to get that all set up this weekend. I'll probably be making a new YouTube channel once I get my Twitch. Once I get my Twitch all right. All right, so the first thing we got for the AMG, it's a real simple mod. Got a racing thermostat, real simple. This is my bolt extractor kit. I had to buy one of these because whoever had this car before me, they fucked up the dang on caliper bolts. So I had to buy a bolt extractor because I gotta replace my ABS ring. My ABS light is on right now. Most of the stuff just gonna be tools. This is my .36mm socket, so I can do my oil filter gasket job. Oh, this is just like a matte black windshield banner. I'm gonna put on the car. This is some more tint, so I can redo my windshield. FCP Euro 16 fucking spark plugs. So it's a spark plug kit for the car. Come with the wrench to take the spark plug coils off, and it comes with the 16mm 12-point swivel socket. 16 damn plugs. Can't wait to do that job. Last box. I got a 4-inch tips. I hate these. I don't like the rounded edges. I usually like let me show y'all. I usually like these better, the straight cut. You can tell I usually like these better, the straight cuts instead of the rounded edges and shit. But I'm gonna see how they sound. It may sound a little different. I also got Dynamax resonators. So I'm gonna see how they sound with all the cats off. I'm gonna have them put them resonators on there. They sound pretty good on the Chargers, so I'm gonna see how it sounds on the AMG. But right now the main focus is just to get this pulley back on there and put the spark plugs on there while I'm at it. And I'm gonna also change the valve cover gasket since I'm right there. Valve cover gasket, that shit. Since I got the oil filter gasket too, I might as well change that. So yeah, tomorrow is gonna be a busy day. I'm gonna be doing a lot tomorrow. So yeah, today I'm gonna just chill. I probably you know what? I probably set up my gaming stuff. I'll probably do it tomorrow because I gotta go to the store and get me an Ethernet cord because the Wi-Fi on that computer is trash. So I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. No, I'll probably do this tomorrow after I finish working on the car. and I'm set up the computer down here. Like, well, I already set it up. I just got, I want to, play around with my Twitch and see what I can, get the page all designed and all of that, so it'll look professional. Yeah, that's what I want to do tomorrow. That's pretty much it right now.